Here I am again. Yep, hello again. Today, we're taking a break from Air Max bubbles. Time to give them a rest and pull my old Vans out of the closet. I'll be tackling that super common issue that almost every Vans owner runs into sooner or later, when the white sidewall, or more precisely that white rubber foxing strip, starts peeling away from the fabric at the flex points. Another thing you often see is the bottom sole separating from that same strip, but these Vans don't have that issue, so I can't show it here. Maybe in the next video. Compared to Air Max repairs? This one's a walk in the park. All you really need is decent shoe glue, not super glue, and good surface prep for maximum adhesion. So let's start with that. Grab some coarse sandpaper, a small file, or anything sharp you've got lying around, and really rough up the area you're going to glue. The goal is to scrape off any old glue and make the surface as rough and uneven as possible. More microgrooves and texture means stronger grip. The glue flows into those tiny gaps and locks in when it hardens. I've got a Dremel with an abrasive bit, so that's what I'm using, faster and easier. I don't even bother degreasing most of the time. I mean, where would grease even come from? Unless you've been wading through deep puddles of motor oil. Once the surface is prepped, time for another thread trick. Use thick, strong thread, the toughest you've got. Push the needle through the white rubber strip and the fabric from one edge, then from the other edge go from the inside out and pull the thread through. I do this so I can apply the glue and then simply tie the thread right there. It pulls both surfaces tight while the glue dries. Once it's set, just cut the thread and you won't see a thing. If the peeling area is large, you can add a few knots next to each other. Now I put some painter's tape, or anything similar, over the repaired area, just to keep excess glue off the fabric. I prefer applying glue with a syringe and needle, starting from the bottom to cover the whole area. The glue I use is the same stuff I use for Air Max bubble repairs. Yeah, it's pricey if you're buying it just for one Vans fix, but I always have it around. Got nearly a full syringe left from the last Nike repair. You, on the other hand, can just grab a decent flexible shoe glue. But me? I'm sticking with this. I've been using it for years and I know for a fact those spots won't come apart for a long time. If anything, the areas next to them might eventually peel, and then those'll need fixing too. Besides applying the glue, I also scratch the surface with the sharp tip of the needle, right through the glue, to help it penetrate deeper into all those micropores and grooves. Then it's time to pull the threads tight and tie them off. The excess glue will squeeze out, and you can wipe it away right there. After a few hours, when the glue is still a bit soft, I remove the painter's tape and clean up any leftover glue with a Dremel, especially in spots where it shouldn't be. This particular glue can leave a shiny finish on smooth surfaces, and sometimes you can see that in the seams. So I hit those spots with the Dremel too, just to give it a matte look. Then I let the shoes sit for another full day, so the glue can reach nearly max strength. Now, snip the threads. You don't have to pull them out from the inside. I usually use thread that matches the color, or just cut it flush. You won't see a thing, and hey, it adds a bit of extra strength. And that's the whole repair. The sole itself gets pretty much the same treatment. I'll show that sometime in a future video. Subscribe if you're into that sort of thing. Let's fix sneakers together. See you soon.